Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Stephen and Walter Live. And just to let you know, we will be doing a regularly scheduled Stephen and Walter Live today at 4 p.m. That's 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we hope you can tune in. And we've got some topics that we want to talk about today. We want to revisit the discussion we had some time ago about tipping. And I've just got some new information about tipping in the States as opposed to tipping in Canada. Also want to take a look at our election that is starting now, it just started, and talk a little bit about the a-holes that are running for positions in our government. And just looking over here at my other notes, and well, we've got lots of other things to talk about too, and I have some viewer mail that I want to read as well. So I hope you can join us today, Sunday, May the 13th, Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. This is my little gift to you mothers. Stephen and Walter Live. Yeah, okay. And so 4 o'clock today, Eastern Standard Time. Hope you can be there. Bye-bye for now.